Hello guys, welcome to KGL Exploration. I'm glad to share with you the latest development on coronavirus vaccine production. As we all know, the world have been fighting to cope this pandemic. Presently, some countries are already trying this vaccine on human. Isi yacu yugarijwe n'icyorezo cya coronavirus. Ni muri urwo rwego hari ibihugu biri kugerageza gushaka umuti. Hakaba hari ibihugu byatangiye gukora igerageza ku bantu.
The first human trials in Europe of a coronavirus vaccine has begun in Oxford in what is a highly significant moment. This afternoon, 2 volunteers, both scientists, were injected. They're the first of more than 800 adults aged between 18 and 55 who've been.
This could change everything. A vaccine against coronavirus. A way out for all of us.
Okay, so I need a scratch.
The first volunteer to receive it was Elisa Granato, a microbiologist. She's 32 today.
I'm a scientist, so of course I want to try and support.
Nk'uko ibihugu by'i Burayi bikomeje gushakisha umuti, bamwe baribaza Ubushinwa bimeze gute? How about China?
Experts say the only chance of life returning to normal is a vaccine. And authorities in Beijing say they've now approved clinical testing for 3 vaccines and are working swiftly to make them a reality.
Birashimishije cyane kuba ibihugu byose birimo biragerageza gukoresha uko bishoboye bizana umuti kugira ngo birebe ukuntu byarwanya iki cyorezo cya coronavirus.
Hi. Jennifer, right? Yes. All right.
There are at least 70 potential treatments in development, 3 of them at the clinical stage, which is when human trials begin. Outside China, the US is the only other country now doing human testing, but some experts warn against rushing the process. They say doing that could result in a vaccine that weakens our body's ability to fight off the virus on its own. America's top medical expert, Anthony Fauci, has said a vaccine could be ready within 12 to 18 months, while health officials elsewhere say it could take even longer.
I'm proud of our continent, Africa, because some African countries are also leading in the fight against coronavirus. Afrika yacu nayo ntiyicaye, irimo iragerageza uko ishoboye kugira ngo irebe ko nayo yabona umuti.
Search for a COVID-19 vaccine has seen more than 100 research projects initiated around the world. Among the potential doses of life has been developed by Oxford University in the United Kingdom, who are reportedly considering human trials in Kenya, but the government says it is not aware of such.
Senegal is doing what most countries can't, testing everyone, symptoms or not, entering a health center for the novel coronavirus. It has no shortage of testing kit thanks to this lab at the Institut Pasteur. Researchers are developing a $1 quick diagnostic kit originally made to test for dengue fever. Patients drop blood or saliva onto the devices and wait for a bloodline to appear. With only 50 ventilator machines for 16 million people, Senegalese engineers are using a 3D printing machine to produce more. While imported ventilators cost $16,000, this one is just $60.
My people, please don't rely on this kind of information because they are no evidence-based. Mwirinde gukurikiza izi nkuru zigenda zicicikana hirya no hino ngo abantu babonye umuti wa coronavirus.
This is the solution. Either you like it or not. Be in America, be in London, be in Japan, be in anywhere in the world. I'm recommending this as a solution to this pandemic so that it will not spread beyond. Apply this water. I want to visit this disease center on Friday. I'll visit the place, pray for them. God said,
I brought the cure of the corona, been begging God, praying unto God to please release us the remedies. And when he answered my prayer, I am very amazed. Look at this weed very well, Siam weed. And the botanical name for it is a Chromolina odorata. We call it Ewe Akintola in Yoruba language. It is the remedy to cure coronavirus. Share, let us.
On the cure of cancer of the throat. It is from there I got this vaccine. I was waiting to know what was the mode of infection of the new virus. I was told it's through the throat. So we got something that can eliminate cancer of the throat and thereby disorganize any diseases of the throat, including corona, even Hunter.
How about this?
Party after party after party.
Party after party, party after party. This is Nairobi Governor. Arimo arigisha abantu uburyo ki inzoga nazo zishobora kurwanya coronavirus. Mu buryo mu biryo ari gutanga agenda ahereza abantu agenda bashyiriramo n'amapake y'inzoga.
Small bottles of Hennessy in the food pack, the package which we give to the research which has been conducted by the World Health Organization and various health organizations. It has been revealed that alcohol plays a very major role in killing the coronavirus or any sort of.
How about this? Coronavirus ntabwo yishwa nuko umuntu yanyweye inzoga, ahubwo kuko hand sanitizer y'ubwayo irimo alcohol bigufasha ko iyo sanitizer yakwica microbe zose ziri mu biganza, ariko ntabwo bivuze yuko unyweye inzoga ya nzoga igenda ya alcohol ikica iyo coronavirus. Bivuga yuko uzaba wangiza ubuzima bwawe, ntabwo uzaba wica coronavirus. How about this? Nkuko mubibona muri iyi video, urabona ko barimo baragenda batera umuti mu muhanda, abana barimo barawirukankamo, nta social distance. Ubu nkuko mubibona birahangayikishije cyane. Murabona ko twabihindura, ni twebwe namwe. These are some great innovations that Africans are able to develop in fighting against this pandemic.
This is how this low-cost unit works, assisting breathing function. It pushes more air into the lungs. It is the brainchild of 4 engineers at the Nelson Mandela University. The ventilator meets the World Health Organization requirements.
Design of this box by South African aerospace company Paramount Group and a team of emergency doctors. The innovation called IntoBox is a lightweight and transparent protective equipment that covers the head and chest of patients. It helps limiting contact with patients during various coronavirus treatment procedures.
The unit is designed as a means of actually isolating the patient. So the patient essentially would slide into the unit.
The military has produced a digital mechanical ventilator known as Dicovent using local contents. This is part of efforts aimed at addressing the shortage of personal protective equipment, PPEs.
The people of Ghana, this is what we've created, my team and I, to help solve this COVID-19. So this system is the normal barrel we call Ankure. And we've recycled it. And we've installed solar system that will help pump the water. And we have sensors.
Hand washing machine where we have soap which is not touched by every person who washes hands. Then we have water which comes in automatically, and the water comes in through being stepped on.
Right. That's the water. Okay.
No contact through again. Oh yeah, I come.
That's the soap. I'm receiving soap. And you see the water will run for 20 seconds according to WHO analysis and description.
Only this one will be good for exercise. At least you have something to be before you might.
Automated. Federal Polytechnic naked.
Oh, this is better.
As if that is not enough, I now come this way and dry it. Oh Lord.
What do you think about all this innovation? I would like to hear your comment. How do you think about it? Urabona ukuntu Afurika nayo imaze gutera imbere, buri wese aragenda agaragaza ubuhanga n'iterambere abantu bamaze kugeraho. Ibi ni ibintu bishimishije, musharinga ibitekerezo byanyu uko mubyumva n'ibyo mubona byakomeza gukorwa kugira ngo bikomeze kugenda neza. Kudos to our Rwanda government, our health workers, and our frontliners for putting more effort to fight against coronavirus. Turashimira ubuyobozi bwacu, abanyarwanda muri rusange ndetse n'abaganga uruhare bakomeje kugira. Mu by'ukuri u Rwanda rukwiye amashyi kuba turi mu bihugu bikeya bitarapfusha umuntu n'umwe uzize coronavirus. Icyo ni ikintu gishimishije. Ibitekerezo byanyu birakenewe, mukore comment, mukore share, mukore like, subscribe na notification. Video yose zazisohoka bizaza birorohera kuyikurikirana. Mukore share, mubwire inshuti zanyu, share please. N'ibitekerezo byanyu ndabikenewe. Murakoze.